Hi guys, so if your external monitor is not working with your MacBook or it's connected but showing a black screen or nothing is displaying, don't worry at all. In this video I'm going to show you two simple solutions that fix the issue in most cases. So let's jump right in. First solution, check connection and display settings. First of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and open system settings. Now scroll down and click on displays. Here just check if your external monitor is showing up or not. If it's not showing, or even if it is showing but still not working properly, then the issue is most likely with the connection. So now just double check a few things. Make sure your HDMI or USB-C cable is properly plugged in, your adapter or USB hub is working fine, your monitor is turned on, and most importantly, the correct input source is selected on your monitor, like HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Because honestly, in most cases, it's just a loose cable or wrong input, and fixing that instantly brings the display back. Solution 2. Fix resolution and display mode. Alright, now the second solution is very important. Go back to system settings. Scroll down and click on displays and select your external monitor. Now look for the resolution option. If your resolution is set too high or not compatible, your monitor can go black or stop displaying anything properly. So just change it to default for display or try a lower resolution from the list. This usually fixes the issue because sometimes macOS selects a resolution that your monitor doesn't fully support. And one more thing, also try switching the display mode. Try mirror display first, and if that doesn't work, switch to extend display. Sometimes just changing this setting instantly fixes the problem. So yeah, in most cases the issue is either a connection problem or a resolution mismatch, and these two simple fixes are usually enough to get everything working again.